Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Physics Pro, and we have a new problem. If A, B and C are physical quantities having different dimensions, so they are different dimensions, which of the following combination can never be a meaningful quantity? Okay, before we start the problem, we have to know something about the measure theory, or we say the basic of measurement. Basic of measurement. Basic of measurement. So, what is this? There are basic rules you must know about the physical quantity. Number one, two quantities, two or more quantities actually, two or more quantities or more quantities it is can be added or subtracted, can be added or subtracted if they all have same dimension. Okay, so you cannot add, let's explain it. We cannot add kilogram and length, kilogram plus meter, it is not possible. So you have to add kilogram and kilogram and kilogram and more. So two or more quantities can be added or subtracted if they all have same dimensions. The first idea of the measure theory or basic of measurement. Second thought is that any quantities can be, any quantities can be multiplied or divided by other. Okay, so any quantities can be multiplied or divided by other, and it is okay. You can multiply kilogram into meter. Okay, it is right, but kilogram minus meter, it is not right. So what is the problem now? The problem says that A, B, C are physical quantities having different dimensions. So in this case, A, B and C, these three are different. So which is not possible? Okay, at first we can say that AB is possible, BC is possible, and AC is possible. Okay, and A by B possible, B by C possible, and B by B by C and A by B. Okay, and A by C is also possible. Okay, so multiplication and division is possible. Now what is not possible? A plus B, not possible. A minus B, not possible. A plus C, not possible. This is not also possible. Or A minus C is not possible, or any combination of plus minus is not possible. So the option says that there is A minus B. So this is not possible, and this is not a meaningful quantity. So the answer is 1.